Hey guys, today we're going to make vegan jackfruit tacos. You can use packaged or canned jackfruit. First we'll prepare a seasoning mix. You guys please don't use this much salt, only a small teaspoon. I had to adjust this after. Then we'll add onion powder, cumin, garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. Then you want to strain and pat dry your jackfruit and add it to a heated pan with olive oil. Add your seasoning. And while it's pan frying on medium-high, you want to really try to break down those pieces as small as you can. After about 5 minutes of frying, you can put it aside and we can start making our tortilla spread. Start with 1 spoon of vegan mayo, a little splash of lemon, a little bit of minced garlic, garlic powder, black pepper, and a dollop of almond milk. Mix it all together. You can pan toast your tortilla and then apply the spread. Add your jackfruit, onion, tomato, cilantro, avocado, and there you have it guys. A great alternative for a meat dish, and it's really easy to make.